Imagine boosting your Solana holdings without getting tangled into complex DeFi. In this video, I'll reveal a super simple method to earn more Solana passively. Stay tuned to discover how. If you are holding Solana, you might be wondering how to make the most out of it without the hassle of complicated steps. Well, you are in luck. Today I'm going to show you how to make more Solana passively, and it's so straightforward that anyone can do it. So the first thing to investing in Solana is to have a wallet that supports the Solana network. We have so many wallets that you can use in order to interact with the Solana blockchain. We have the Trust wallet, but I mostly recommend that you use the Phantom wallet because this is the best wallet. I believe so on my part that this is the best wallet that you can interact with on the Solana blockchain. For me, I already have it installed, so if at all you don't have it yet, just go to Play Store or App Store, then you can install your Phantom wallet. I believe you know how to create your account with your Phantom wallet, but that's a story for another day. I don't want to go the long part of creating a Phantom wallet. As you can see, I'm just logged into the Phantom wallet and it's already prompting me to stake my Solana. So you can see still earning 0%. Convert your SOL into pSOL, earn up to 9% yearly. So this is the easiest way that you can actually take advantage of the Solana blockchain. It's something very simple. You don't need to interact with complex DeFi, looking for these protocols on the Solana blockchain, going to the nitty-gritties of the DeFi ecosystem. I don't want to convert anything yet. We just want to go into the wallet. I already have some wallets here. I have my Photon wallet, and I can again access my other wallets. So I have my main wallet, there's the Photon wallet and the Axiom wallet. So let me just go to my main wallet. So that's my main wallet for Phantom. So when you are here, you need to actually deposit some Solana into your Phantom wallet. So how do you do that? If at all you still don't know, it's that time that you take your time to learn about crypto. But what can you do? What you can easily do is just buy some Solana from exchanges. We have Binance, we have OKX. You can use either Pionex. Let me see all the exchanges I'm using. We have Bybit, there's Mexi, KuCoin. But now the easiest way to do it is just use the Binance because this is the largest exchange so far. Just go with Binance or OKX. I never have any troubles using OKX. Very fast transactions. You have your tokens into your wallet. Once you've now sent your Solana into your wallet, they will be sitting here under the Solana address. So here you can access actually your Solana. You can click here to receive the Solana that you want to send into that wallet by just copying the public address. This is the public address. So you saw that when I just logged into the Phantom wallet, it prompted me to now stake my Solana. As for me, I already have my Solana stake, so I can already see the Phantom staked SOL, which is the pSOL. So in order to again stake more of my Solana, I can just click easily the Phantom staked SOL, which is the pSOL, and you can see the price is at $51 right now. Let me see with the current Solana price. They normally have discrepancies. So you can see with the Solana is 243, then the pSOL is 251. So there's some arbitrage there. If at all you know anything to do with arbitrage, you can actually execute and benefit some money there. So in order to access the staking, just for me, because I already have some Solana pSOL staked, I can now just click the pSOL, and then I have here buy and sell. So if at all I wanted to stake more, my goal is now to buy the pSOL using the Solana. So I just click to buy. So in order to buy, you'll need Solana. I can pay with Solana, and then let me see if at all I can pay with another token. Okay, I strongly believe that if I had other tokens, I would actually be in a position to use them. Let's say I have USDT or USDC on the Solana blockchain. I could have easily use them as well to buy the pSOL, but now I just have the Solana into this wallet. So my goal is now to pay with Solana. So you click your amount, either you can use 50% of whatever you have into your wallet, or you can just put directly the amount that you want to buy for the pSOL. So once you've bought, then your Solana will now be converted to the pSOL, the Phantom staked Solana. This is the pSOL. So once you buy that pSOL, it will now be staked with the Phantom wallet, and then it will be earning you 9% APY. Currently it's showing 7.57% APY. I've already earned up to 0.00044 Solana. This is another way that you can actually make your Solana work for you. And the Solana network or the Solana token has been pumping heavily, and you can also boost it by again staking it with the Phantom wallet. So you'll be earning from the accretion of the value when the value of Solana itself go up, because Solana and pSOL, they track each other, so they will all be going up, and then you will also be earning Solana tokens by Phantom giving you those dividends. So this is another way that you can actually use to easily earn Solana tokens. We are currently on a bull run, and it's also alt season, so make good use of your tokens. Don't just let them lie idle. As much as you can make money by the market going up, what if the market goes down? So this is how you need to now start thinking of ways to passively make income. So major events hitting the crypto world is that Gemini is now a publicly traded company. So you can see this is a 2-day post. New Bitcoin exchange Gemini hits Nasdaq. Winklevoss twins take it public, joining Coinbase and bullish. So crypto exchanges are going public. We are going mainstream. 2 days ago, Gemini went public. Earlier, Coinbase went public. And also Circle, the issuer of USDC, initially went public. So crypto industry, it's very bullish for us. This is the time to actually embrace crypto. Hold it with your 2 hands. You don't want to miss out on these kinds of life-changing opportunities. Then another news which is great for me here is this is 3 days ago, El Salvador to launch the world's first Bitcoin bank this year. So 2025, we expect El Salvador to launch the world's first Bitcoin bank. You can imagine just going to a bank to withdraw crypto or deposit your crypto with a bank. But for me, I would recommend that one. Putting my crypto with a bank is somehow laughable for me. Just as someone who is tech savvy with crypto industry, your key is your crypto. Always have your keys with you. It's something great to actually make the country to embrace crypto or help us with the growth in the crypto industry. But someone who really actually understands crypto, it's all about freedom. It's all about getting out of control. Always have your crypto with you. You store them in your own wallets, hot wallet or hard wallets, the likes of Ledger. Earlier this year, the altcoin index was around 30s, 40s, and now we are in September, and finally the altcoin season is here. You can see it's alt season. It's rating at 76. So what this means is actually that people are now shifting their money away from Bitcoin, and more money is going into the altcoins. We might expect the altcoins to now start pumping hugely. When money is shifting from Bitcoin and going into the alts, then it's that time. So if at all you think or you earlier thought that the alts are dead, it's now their time. It's time for the alts. You can see it's rating at 76. This is blockchaincenter.net, and you can also use the the one being shown on CoinMarket. I've seen there's some discrepancy. They don't rate the same. You can find this one rating 76 and the CoinMarketCap is rating around 70 there. But something 70, if it's 50-50, then it means that there's a balance between Bitcoin and the alts. But now 76 going to 80s, then alt season is here. So if at all you've been wanting to scoop your alts, it's the time, guys. It's the time. Let's see some of the trending coins so far today. This is what's happening on the crypto market. The top 100 coins. Most of them are still red, but you can see their pump is at 24%. It's 24% up today. So this is what's happening on the crypto markets today. This is the bubbles. So just some of the things happening on the markets, but now you know on how to make your Solana work for you. The alt season is here. If you wanted to scoop Solana, it's your time to scoop Solana. So as I've always said, the easiest way to get information from me is from my newsletter, and to access my newsletter, just go to my YouTube channel. Let me go to my YouTube channel. So under my bio, under the links, you have up to 7 links, but it's always the first link, GekoodHub.system.io passive income. So that first link, you can see it's GekoodHub newsletter. So just click it, you'll be in a position to now start receiving news from me on what's happening on the crypto market, what's really hot, what's the narrative that people are engaging on, and how to make your money work for you on the crypto market. Just come here, free discover, just put your first name, your email, and you download an ebook that shows you how to make passive income with your cryptocurrencies. You will now be subscribed to the GekoodHub email newsletter.